In 2012, the Illinois EPA published a study called A Total Maximum Daily Load. This study concluded that the waters of Buffalo Creek and 3 of its lakes were impaired for their intended beneficial uses for aquatic life and recreational use.
As our watershed group became involved in surveying and understanding the conditions of Buffalo Creek, we understood that our water is flowing right by here in the stream is polluted. Last year, the Illinois EPA conducted a study called A Total Maximum Daily Load, and they found, based on measurements made near this place, that there's 5 impairments in our water quality here. There's excessive amounts of phosphorus, dissolved solids, fecal coliform, chlorides, and periodically low dissolved oxygen, which collectively make this stream polluted and put it on the list of impaired waters in Illinois, kept by the Illinois EPA.
In addition to collecting water samples, the partnership is analyzing long-term trends in water quality from data that has been compiled for Buffalo Creek by the Metropolitan Water Reclamation District of Greater Chicago since the 1970s. The results have been encouraging for phosphorus pollution, which has been gradually decreasing with the removal of phosphates from detergents and lawn fertilizers. On the other hand, chloride levels, especially from applications of salt on roads and parking lots, has been steadily increasing. Based on our water samples, we estimate that more than 1,800 tons of chloride is carried in Buffalo Creek per year. The partnership is working with villages to identify ways that the use of road salt can be reduced. In 2013, our testing program identified a potential fecal coliform hotspot. We are working with the local community and the Lake County Department of Health to address the source of the contamination. The lakes in the watershed are also polluted. Buffalo Creek Clean Water Partnership volunteers and partners have been monitoring water quality in the reservoir at Buffalo Creek Forest Preserve and Albert Lake, where levels of phosphates and suspended solids are excessive and levels of dissolved oxygen are sometimes lower than healthy fish populations require. Tests on sediments conducted by the Lake County Department of Health disclosed elevated levels of metals, such as mercury and silver, and several organic chemicals that can be harmful to people and wildlife. Stakeholders voted water quality the #1 issue to be addressed by the Watershed Partnership. So the partnership will continue to monitor and identify ways to clean up the creek and lakes in the Buffalo Creek watershed for all of its residents.